So next topic is decimal representation of rational numbers. So already we learn rational numbers are represented on number line. So in a rational numbers there exist infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers, that is a density property. So and here decimal representation of rational numbers means every rational numbers can be expressed in the form of decimal. Okay, every rational number can be expressed in the form of decimal also. Now see this example, I taken one rational number 3 by 5. Okay, so how to express in decimal form? This is 3 by 5 is a rational numbers. How to express in decimal form? So 3 is divided by 5. How many times? Not possible, taken as point, so taken as 0. 5 table how many times? 6 times. So 5 6 are 30. So we get what is the result? 0.6. So second one, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So 4 is divided by 3. 3 table how many times? 1 time. 3. 1 only left. There is no another number, so taken as point, keep 0. So 3 table 3 times. Sorry, 3 3 is a 9. Again 1 left. Already taken point, so 1 was 0. 3 3 is a 9. Again 1. 3 3 is a 9. Means this is continue. So 4 by 3, the value is 1.333 like this only. So this can be written as 1 point, which number is repeated? 3 is repeated. So 3 bar like this, 1.3 bar, 1.3 bar. Okay. So observe here, this is decimal, this is also decimal. So what is the difference? Some difference is there. Okay. So what is the difference of both? Okay. So every rational number can be expressed in the form of decimals. Okay. So this decimal is called terminating decimal. This decimal is called non-terminating decimal. Okay. So here decimals are two types. One is a terminating decimal, other one is non-terminating decimal. So what is a terminating decimal? The number of digits after decimal point is finite. The number of digits after decimal point is finite, then it is called terminating decimal. Number of digits after decimal point is finite. Number of digits after decimal point. Number of digits after decimal point is finite, then it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So number of digits after decimal point is finite. Finite means we can easily count. Okay. So number of digit, it is countable. Okay. So that is a terminating decimal. See this example. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 how much? 2.2 to the 4. 2.5. Okay. Second one. 9 by 5. 9 by 5. 5 table how many times? 1 time. 4 left. So taken as point 40. 5 8s are 40. Okay. So 52 by 100 also. So how much? 5.2. 8 by 5 okay. Okay, 5. So 8 by 5 means 1 3 left, 30. 5 6 are 30. So we get everyone is terminating decimal. Why? Because after decimal point how many digits are there? Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1, like that. Means if you take in 0.19467892, like this is there. So this is also terminating decimal. Why? Because after decimal point how many digits are there? We can count easily, 3 6 7 8. So it is countable. So that's why that is terminating decimal. So what is non-terminating decimal? So non-terminating decimals are two types. So number of digits after decimal point is infinite. Infinite, then it is called non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Decimals are two types: terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Is called non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. Okay. So the number of digits after decimal point is infinite, then it is called non-terminating decimal. So non-terminating decimals are two types. Okay. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating non-recurring. Now observe. Non-terminating decimals are two types. One is recurring decimal, non-recurring. Ante non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Okay. So what is terminating decimal? Now see this. Already we discussed 1 by 3. 1 by 3 how much? 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar means here 0.3333 like this continue, means here 3 is repeated so many number of times, so that's why this is non-terminating. How many digits are there? We cannot count, so non-terminating. And 3 is repeated continuously, so that's why that is recurring or repeating. Anyone you say recurring or repeating, so this decimal is called non-terminating recurring decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, here some numbers 0.34251689762 like this only. Now observe here, how many digits are there after decimal point? We cannot count, so that's why non-terminating. Okay, but here there is no pattern, so not particular pattern which numbers are repeated we cannot clarify, there is no clarity. Okay, but here 3 is repeated, so here any numbers are not repeating particular order, so that's why this is non-recurring or non-repeating. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal, this is non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, this is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Now see this here 0.5678, this is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal 1.26 bar, this is non-terminating recurring or repeating recurring decimal. Okay, so 4.3 bar, this is also non-terminating recurring decimal. 1.264, this is terminating decimal. Terminating, this is terminating decimal. Why? Because how many digits are there? 4. Here 3 we can count, so that's why terminating. Here how many digits are there? We cannot count, so that's why non-terminating. And 6 is repeating, so that's why non-terminating recurring decimal. Here 3 is repeated, so that's why non-terminating, repeating or recurring, anyone. Okay, so now observe this one 4 6 5 2 1 8 1 9 8 3 2 8 like this. So any order is there here? There is no particular order, so that's why this is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal. So you taken as any rational number, compulsory we have to express either terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. So any rational number cannot express non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Okay, so these numbers non-terminating non-recurring decimals cannot express in the form of p by q. So this is expressed in the form of p by q. This is also expressed in the form of p by q. This is also expressed in the form of P by Q. Okay, this is also, these all are expressed in the form of P by Q, but this one non-terminating non-recurring decimal cannot express in the form of P by Q. So this type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, so such type of numbers, this type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Why? Because these numbers cannot express in the form of P by Q. Okay, so every rational numbers can be expressed in the form of terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, so how to convert non-terminating decimals into rational number, and how to convert terminating decimals into rational numbers. Okay, some numbers cannot express in the form of P by Q. Such type of numbers are called irrational numbers. These numbers cannot express in the form of P by Q. Okay, so these numbers are called irrational numbers and non-terminating non-recurring decimals. Okay.